Gates open, they're up and racing. Sa totoo lang, draws for your lead. Bagong silang is right behind in second, moving up. Tabaco, Bullrack running alongside. Bahala na is down in fifth. Famous Girl comes next, moving up party outside. Is entry number 12, Reyes Gold together with Faragut's Order. Then comes Burning Glow running alongside Mater of Honor. Yes, Joey running third last, second last, Cad Missile, and trailing the group is Blue Chic. Past the last 600 and going to the final 450. Three runners are fighting it out for the lead. Sa totoo lang, running in between runners by the rail. Bagong silang on the outside, Bullrock. Joining them on the outside is Faragut's Order. Bahala na. Then sneaking in down on the inside is Famous Girl with the last 150. Bagong silang, this time leading the field over sa totoo lang on the outside. Faragut's Order and Bullrock with the last 50 meters. Bagong silang winning over sa totoo lang, close between Faragut's Order and Bullrock. Then comes Famous Girl, Reyes Gold, Matter of Honor. Yes, Joey, Burning Glow. Number 6, Tabacos, Cad Missile, Bahala na, and Blue Chic.